Dandruff is difficult to get rid of, especially during the winter months, but not impossible. With proper and regular hair care, you can eliminate dandruff easily. Baking soda can help banish those annoying white flakes on your scalp and hair. It clarifies the scalp and helps clear off flakes. In addition, as baking soda is alkaline, it helps bring the pH balance of the scalp to a healthy equilibrium. Rub 1 tablespoon of baking soda onto your wet hair and scalp. Wait for a minute, then rinse it out thoroughly with water. Do this once a week only. Alternatively, mix freshly squeezed juice of 1 lemon with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply it to your scalp, allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse your hair with water. Follow this remedy once a week only to keep your scalp free from dandruff. Smelly hair is a very embarrassing problem, and people with oily hair are more prone to this condition. Oily hair picks up environmental pollutants and strong smells more readily. Baking soda can easily fix this problem because it helps reduce oiliness and also neutralizes foul odors. In addition, its alkaline nature balances the pH level of the scalp to keep it clean and healthy. Mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water. Apply it on your damp hair, wait 5 minutes and then rinse your hair. Repeat once or twice a month. Alternatively, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to your regular shampoo bottle and use it to wash your hair 1 or 2 times a week. You can also use baking soda as a dry shampoo. Thoroughly mix equal amounts of baking soda and cornstarch. Sprinkle a small amount at the roots of your hair and tousle your hair around. Brush your hair thoroughly with a good quality brush and you will be impressed with the result.